Asthma. Introduction. Can you point to the bronchial tubes?
Choose one of the following options.
Correct. The bronchial tubes are the breathing tubes located inside the lungs. The cilia help push mucus out of the lungs.
Select true or false.
Correct. Cilia are small brushes that help push mucus out of the lungs. The mucus contains trapped dirt from the air. Asthma is caused by inflammation of the inner lining of the lungs. Select true or false. Correct. This inflammation can make breathing difficult and can cause a feeling of tightness in the chest. Only airborne substances can cause asthma. Select true or false. Correct. In addition to airborne allergens, the following can trigger asthma: cold air, physical activity, stress, the common cold, certain food and medications, and GERD. Treating chronic asthma usually involves taking medication. Select true or false. Correct. Medication can decrease the inflammation of the bronchial tubes, relax the muscles of the bronchial tubes, and decrease the sensitivity of the lungs to allergens. Thank you for using Explain.